We begin our accent wall by removing the baseboard on the wall so it can overlay the new material we're adding. The material we're using for the grid is 1/2 inch thick by 6 inch wide wood siding, which we're ripping down to 3 1/4 inches wide. Before we begin attaching it, we lay out perfectly plumb vertical lines spaced evenly across the wall to guide the installation. Next, we lay out the horizontal lines. Your spacing will depend on the size of the wall and the grid size you want. At the bottom of the wall, we install a full piece of siding so that it extends 3 1/4 inches above the old baseboard height. We're using construction adhesive and nails because all of our boards won't land on studs. At the top of the wall, we install another full piece so we can leave 3 1/4 inch reveal below the crown molding that comes next. Now we can cut and install the vertical pieces between the top and bottom boards. Construction adhesive is really important here since some of these boards will only be nailed to framing at the top and bottom of the wall. When we begin adding the horizontal pieces, we're careful to measure each space precisely because there will be slight variations in these dimensions. As each horizontal is installed, be careful to check both the level and the alignment with the adjacent horizontals. When the grid is complete, you prime the wood, caulk all the edges, and apply the finish paint to wrap up the project.